Y'all, I think I messed up. My pineapple fell over and I didn't even know it. Now I don't know if it's going bad. Do you see what I'm talking about? My pineapple is bent over. It looks like it's barely hanging on. And I don't know how long it's been like that. It could have been like that for a couple days or a week. And the problem with that is I could have pest on it. It could be overripe or it could be rotting out as we speak. Now, there's a couple things that I check for to see if it's right. Number one, I smell at the base. And if it's sweet, and it is so sweet. So that's one. And number two, we can all see it. That you see the color is all golden. All right, that is another sign. And the last sign I look for, I like to gently touch it like this. Make sure it should be slightly soft. And it is slightly soft. All right, so I'm gonna have to make the decision to go ahead and harvest it, because if I leave it just like this, the pests, the ants, they will come, they will smell it, and then I won't have it, or it can overripe, like I said, and we don't want it to go rotten. So I'm making the decision to go ahead and harvest this pineapple. I hope it is not overripe. We shall see. Now for the moment of truth. This took me over 3 years to get this to fruit like this, and it looks amazing. All right, let's go ahead and cut it. Whoa, look at that. I like the smell, and look at that color. You can't beat it. All right, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the inside. And you know, I'm gonna use this to start another pineapple. Oh yeah, my first pineapple. Let's go. All right, and also before I set this down, look, I have another crown coming. It's already up, and we're going to go ahead and get another pineapple from that crown right there. Now, if you need some sharp pruners, I'll put a link in the description below. All right, let's get to cutting. Whoa, I'm so excited. Well, let me see what it looks like first. And like I said, I am going to use that to make another plant. All right, let me cut the other side. I think we got this at the right time, because look, let me bring you in close. All right, now look at that side. All right, we gonna taste it and see though, no doubt. Let me get this stuff cleaned up a little bit. All right, let me go ahead and cut the outer layer. It smells sweet though, it smells sweet. I would have been mad if this would have went bad. My first ever pineapple. Cut the edges off like this. Oh, this thing smells sweet. Oh yeah. 3 long years, y'all, 3 long years. Oh, sweetness, smell it. And I never had a homegrown pineapple before. They say it's simply the best. But we about to see. We about to taste it and see. All right, let me cut it down the center. Cut it one more time. Whoa, I better save some for my family. Uh-oh, I'm so excited. I can't eat it. Oh, you have got to grow one of these homegrown. It doesn't even taste like the ones in the stores. I kid you not. This is, woo! Hey, I've never tasted pineapple like that before. Amazing. And just to think, I was not even going to film this. This is real gardening, y'all, real gardening. Now, if you want to see how I got my pineapple to grow like this, I have other videos. You should check them out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.